Okay, I'm getting ready to remove the bidet. So the first thing I'm going to do is turn the water off. Now our stopcock, we've actually got two, they're either side of our smart meter. I'm laughing because that is what's called apparently a Generation 1 smart meter. That was put in by the water board about 5 years ago, and apparently that's now obsolete. Because we need apparently a Generation 2 smart meter. So with that fitted, we still have to give our water readings separately. Anyway, just have to turn one off, have to turn them both off. Stopcock, always worth knowing where that is in your house at any time. Often under the sink in a flat or near a bath or something, but that just completely turns all the water off. It won't affect the central heating, because central heating systems are on they're pressurized on a separate system. So when they're like filled and then they're all it's all like the system's all enclosed. So turning the water on and off won't affect the central heating, because it's the only way it'll affect the central heating is by draining the central heating. Then you need to refill it, but once it's filled, then it stays separate. Okay, so the cold water's turned off. That's the supply for the whole house. I just mentioned that there, because we're down in the basement, that is our drain tap for our central heating. That's the lowest point of our central heating, because we're in the basement. It's up on the ceiling because there's no radiators down here. So again, the drain point for your central heating is normally the very lowest point of wherever the pipes are on your central heating. Older central heating systems sometimes have a drain cock that's actually in the boiler, but that's pretty rare. So again, maybe worth knowing that is, but you don't normally have to drain your central heating system unless you're going to take radiators off and so on. Okay, as I say, turning the water off there, so there'll be no water to the taps, there'll be no water to the toilets and so on. There'll be no water going to a hot water system, but it won't affect central heating, so you don't have to worry about it.